This is gonna be our demand performance task. Assalamualaikum po. Is it fine if we introduce yourself?
Okay, my name is Muhammad Ali.
Can I ask questions?
Yes, sir.
What is the best seller in this evening?
Best
Seller.
seller. Like French fries, nuggets, hash brown.
What are the busiest times during the week, during the day or week?
The week, what day? Sometimes Sunday.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you. Thank you.
Good morning. What's your name? Can you introduce yourself to
My
the
name is Raki Dimar.
Can I ask you a question?
Yes.
Okay. Do you notice changes in student demand when there are activities in the school or regular classes like Foundation Day?
Actually, yeah, like Foundation Day, we are preparing some reduced price, okay? And then we need to tell the management regarding the promotion.
Thank you.
Okay.